So the moment you enter the campus, you will see this board. So this is a MDC hall, which is the Management Development Center, MDC hall, and this is where all the management program happens. That's the first building. I am staying here, so that is my official place to say. And the best part of the campus is the greenery. That's what I like about the campus. If I compare to Ahmedabad, Ahmedabad has no trees inside the campus, so this place is much more greener than that. So this is what the best part is. And the weather, the best part of Bangalore is the weather part. Yeah, so now we go again to see the sports ground and the director residence to see what's happening next. Very nice bench sitting here. I don't know if you can feel the air here, but the nice greenery and everything is beautiful. So this is what I am liking about the campus the most. Yeah, so to sit here and relax in the evening, and trust me, you'll see more people on the road in the night than in the daytime. Yeah, that's what the best part about this place. So the Vista event is going on here, so you can see the crowd as well, the lighting, the everything here. So, and this is the sponsorship board, and I'm proud to see C-Taking name as a part of sponsorship. So we are official partner with I Am Bangalore Vista program. That's why I'm here, by the way. So this is our campus. This is a starting point. You can see the hostels behind me. So I'll take you to the hostels now so that you can understand, you can see the kind of hostel. Trust me, if you are localite, you are in Bangalore, you should come and visit the campus once, because you will really love it here, because the kind of motivation you'll get looking at the people, and once you see the crowd, they're all looking like you only. So you will feel it better, okay, wo kar sakta to why can't I do it? So trust me, you'll be very motivated. Wherever I am nearest, I'm to you, you should go it once while you are preparing for the exams to get the motivation. So this is what I like, always like to click here, pics like places like this. So we are I Am Bangalore. So this is I Am Bangalore ka signage here, and behind me you can see the hostels. So this is, you can see the hostel here, that's where the hostel block starts, and the hostel are all back to back together there inside. Behind me you can see the main campus behind me. So that's a main building, where it's called main building, where the actual classes happen, everything. It's too windy here, that's why you might hear a little bit noise in the video. So beautifully maintained gardens, which I doubt you'll find in any other major B schools. So I've been to Ahmedabad. So Ahmedabad don't have that much greenery, which I've said earlier as well. So there's an event going to happen. So there's a night party here. So Ahmedabad, I Am Bangalore is famous for the parties as well. So I'll try to make one video with their permission the night. And at night 2 o'clock, there were more crowd in that place than what you can see right now. So I'd like to make a video on that as well, a separate video or talking about the nightlife of this thing. So do subscribe to this channel if you're not yet done, so they can get all the updates, because I'm going to upload more videos about I Am Ahmedabad, Bangalore, and I'll be putting up a video about comparing I Am Ahmedabad and Bangalore. But that I'll put after going from here, not while I'm in the campus. So I'll do that as well. So this is very nice here. So weather-wise, everything-wise, it's a nice place. We are right now standing at the main entry of I Am Bangalore. So that's the main building here, the grand old grey building. Like Ahmedabad is red, this is green. This is the main auditorium. So now we have just taken the lunch, so we are coming out after lunch. So this is my second half now. So this is the fort. This is not a college, it's a fort. You will totally get lost track of, actually we are lost right now, we don't know where we are. We're just roaming around the campus, looking around things. And this is, I think, the main FMP center where all the PhD people and all come and study. So this is a faculty block, C, faculty, all the faculty blocks. So we got lost track while going to auditorium, we come here. So this is how the campus look like. So it is beautiful, no doubt, it's huge. Hey guys, I'm at the store at I Am Bangalore. So I'm trying to buy some souvenirs for my students.